Ready to ditch the chaos and master your time like a pro? Let's dive into Google Calendar and unlock its full potential in just a few simple steps. First, head over to Calendar Google.com and sign in with your Google account. To schedule an event, click the Create button on the left, or simply click directly on the date and time you want. Add a title, specify the date and time, and location if needed. Need to invite others? Use the Add Guests field to easily invite people to your events. Google Calendar will handle the invitations and RSVPs. Customize your view. Use the drop-down menu on the top right to switch between day, week, month, or even a schedule view to see upcoming events in a list. Sharing is caring. Click the three dots next to a calendar on the left, select Settings and Sharing, then use the Share with Specific People or Groups option to grant access to your calendar. Never miss a deadline. Set reminders by editing an event and clicking the Add Notification option. You can choose to receive reminders via pop-up or email. Supercharge your productivity by integrating Google Calendar with other apps like Gmail, Zoom, and Slack. This allows you to schedule meetings directly from emails or join video calls with a single click. With these simple tips, you're well on your way to becoming a Google Calendar master, boosting your productivity and taking control of your time. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more productivity hacks.